All right, guys, JJ Sports Breaks. It's just after 8 p.m. Eastern on March the 28th, 2016. This is our 3-box high-tech mixer. 1 box of 2015 high-tech, 1 box of 2014 Tier 1, and 1 box of 2013 Topps Finest. Thank you guys for the fill. This was a pick your team. I've got all the names listed here beside me, so I'll call those out as the hits appear. We're going to get started. We're going to start with 2013 Finest, and we'll work our way. We'll do high-tech after that. And then Tier 1's new for us, so we're going to do that last. At Tier 1, there was 1 box left out of 10 different warehouses for one of my distributors. So it's like, well, I'll go ahead and grab it, see what happens. And it just happened to be at the Atlanta warehouse too, so made it nice. How's everybody's fine Monday going? Anything exciting? Did everybody have a good weekend? That's probably the better question. Billy Butler, Familia, Martinez, Lee, Dickey. Does anybody hear me? Is probably the better question. Bautista, Hechavarria, Profar, Cole. Guys on the recording, I'm getting no feedback from the guys in the room, so I'm hoping you can hear me. Zach Wheeler, Matt Harvey, X-Fractor. Nothing. And we got an auto. Didi Gregorius for the Diamondbacks. There we go. Going to Bynum, and he'll like that too, being a Yankee fan. Didi Gregorius, rookie card auto. Very nice. Oh, no. Where are they at? Oh, there they are. Didi Gregorius, X-Fractor. Numbered to 149. Very nice. Troy Tulowitzki, Oswald Arcia, Giancarlo Stanton. Number to 99, Prince Fielder. 97 out of 99. Prince Fielder for the Tigers. Also going to bottom. What's that other? What's going on, Roger? We just got started, man. Went through the first mini box of Finest. First auto pulled was Didi Gregorius. Rookie auto numbered to 149. That's all you've missed so far. Oh. Verlander, Castro, Ellsbury. Rosenthal, Sale, Jimmy, Harvey. Oh, no, there it is. Albert Pujols, refractor. I'll set that to the side. That'll be last. Dylan Bundy, Paul Goldschmidt, Buster Posey, Kane, Cespedes. Roger, I don't know if you saw when you first came in. That was the first hit. First and only hit so far for the D-backs. This one's up next. Ryan Howard, Lincecum. For Tampa Bay Rays, Will Myers. Will Myers, rookie jumbo relic for the Rays. I believe that's for you, Roger. Nice bat relic. I'm not seeing no numbering, just a refractor. So. All right, High Tech is up next. Then we're going to do Tier 1 last. So. All right, guys. First up for the Indians, Omar Vizquel. Omar Vizquel. For the Royals. Who had the Royals? Also with Roger. Salvador Perez. For the Cardinals, Mark Sparky is what he goes by on Facebook. 23 out of 99, Ozzie Smith. 23 out of 99. For Carlo and the Chicago Cubs. Oh, the next one's nice. For the Cubbies, John Lester. Rookie auto for the Los Angeles Dodgers. Going to Blake. Jock Peterson. Very nice. For the Washington Nationals, also going to Carlo. Bryce Harper. Bryce Harper. For the Los Angeles Angels, for Natalie, Albert Pujols. Albert Pujols. And for the Tigers, also for Blake, Miguel Cabrera. There's High Tech, guys. 2014 Tier 1. What's up next? All right, first up, for the Brew Crew, Milwaukee Brewers going to Mark Sparky, Tyler Thornburg, number 251 out of 399. New Guard autographs. All right, for the Los Angeles Dodgers, and going to Blake, Juan Uribe, number to 299. 131 out of 299. All right, and last but not least, for Mr. Ed and the Cincinnati Reds, Jay Bruce relic, number to 299. 207 out of 299. So we spread it around a little bit tonight. Thank you for the fill, guys. I appreciate it. I've got another one listed on the page now if we want to go ahead and fill that out. It's a little ways to go, but we can work on it for tomorrow night, I guess. Full case of Bowman's Best coming Friday. I've got another Bowman mixer on Wednesday, and I'll mix in some random division breaks throughout the week. So keep an eye out for some of that stuff. I guess I will see you guys tomorrow night. Thank you.